Welcome to DICloak. In DICloak, you can share tool accounts with members while ensuring account security and preventing data leaks. DICloak currently offers 3 methods for account sharing. You can choose one or combine multiple methods. First, you must set up account security features to prevent members from viewing and tampering with passwords. Here are the essential security settings. For other advanced account security features, check the link below the video. First, go to Global Settings, check these options to prevent members from viewing and tampering with passwords. Note: only Plus and Share Plus plans can restrict members from viewing website passwords. Then go to Member Groups and Team and set the permissions for the group your members belong to. Do not grant them permissions to edit profiles or view passwords. After configuring the security features, you can start setting up account sharing. Now I'll detail the 3 methods for account sharing. They use different sharing technologies and produce different results. Method 1. Bind the tool or platform account credentials within the profile. First, go to Profiles and edit the profile where you want to bind the account. Under General Settings, add an account. Then select the corresponding platform. If you can't find the platform you want to add, you can choose Other Accounts and enter the platform URL in the correct format. Next, enter your username and password. If needed, you can also set a 2FA key and remarks. You can add multiple accounts to one profile. These website credentials are automatically saved in the profile browser's built-in password manager. When members open the profile, they can autofill the password on the website to log in. They cannot view or copy the password, nor access the password manager page or extension-related pages. This prevents others from stealing or changing the passwords. The advantage of this method is stability, as it's not affected by website cookie expiration. As long as the configured credentials are correct, members can always use them to log in. Method 2. Import logged-in cookies into the profile. 2 important notes for using this method. First, some websites require other data, like local data and IndexedDB, in addition to cookies to maintain login status. For such websites, you must choose one of the other 2 sharing methods. Second, website cookies usually have an expiration period. After they expire, you need to manually update the cookie information. Alternatively, use it with the Cloud Data Sync feature to automatically update the latest cookies. This requires upgrading to a paid plan. You can install the Cookie Editor extension in the profile to export the website's cookies. After exporting, copy all cookie information. Then go to Profiles, edit or create the profile, and paste all the cookie information here. It's recommended to enable the Data Sync feature and set the whitelist to super admins or admins. This way, the cookie information will refresh automatically. Note: if you have enabled Clear Local Cache and set it to clear cookie data, you must enable Sync Cloud Data after clearing. If your cookies are valid, members will find the account already logged in when they reopen the profile and access the website. Method 3. Enable Cloud Data Sync. The Cloud Data Sync feature is only available for teams on paid plans. In Profiles, edit a single profile or batch edit multiple profiles. First, I suggest setting the website URL you want to share in the default Startup Pages field. Then find the Data Sync function. If you set it to Global Settings, you need to configure the Data Sync function in the Global Settings section. You can also choose Custom for this specific profile. I recommend checking these options because some websites require syncing this data for a logged-in state. Then enable Prevent Members from Overwriting Cloud Data and set the whitelist to the super admin or admin group. This ensures only login actions from accounts in the whitelisted groups are synced to members. If other members log out or modify login data within the profile browser, it won't affect the website login status for others. Note: if you have enabled Clear Local Cache, you must enable Sync Cloud Data after clearing. This allows members always to sync the login data when they open the profile. After setup, return to the profile list. Next, you need to open the profile and log into the website. First, ensure no one else has this profile open. You can close all other members' profiles with one click, then click Open Profile. Log into the website you want to share, making sure the login is successful. Then close the profile and reopen it to verify the account is indeed logged in. Now your login data from the profile is uploaded to the cloud, and cookies are automatically saved here. When members open the profile, the website will be in a logged-in state, ready for them to use directly. These are the 3 methods for account sharing in DICloak. If you have more questions, please contact DICloak technical support for further assistance.